Hi, Bob here with the Cordless Workshop. I attended the opening of Rockler's new store in Morristown, New Jersey yesterday. And one of the things I found was these new clamps from Rockler. They're a quick acting bar clamp. The heads are made out of aluminum. And to use it, you just slide it up and clamp it shut. And it pops open just as easy. You can adjust the clamping pressure right here on this thumb wheel. So you just put it on your work like that, clamp it down, and they hold tight. They work great. I'll probably need another pair of these. So stop by Rockler and check them out. They're pretty nice. Later.